Welcome to the video. In this video, we will integrate the DHT22 sensor with ThingSpeak platform using Node MCU as the server. And we will be using Vokvi Online Simulator. So this will be very easy for you to simulate even if you don't have the hardware. So we have made the connections. We have connected the DHT pin to the pin 15 of the Node MCU, and we have connected a LED to the pin 13 of the Node MCU. So I have also created my channel on ThingSpeak platform. So you can see this is the channel on the ThingSpeak platform, and this is the channel ID that you can see. Also, you can see the right API key. We have to copy the channel ID and the right API key into the code. So we will copy and paste these values into our code. Also, we will need to include some libraries. So as you can see, I have included these three libraries. So you can include the libraries by clicking on the plus button. So we will need to include three libraries: DST sensor library for ESP, Wi-Fi library, and ThingSpeak library. So Wi-Fi library is used to upload the code, and the ThingSpeak library is used for integration with ThingSpeak platform. So these are the libraries, these are the three libraries that we will be using in our code, and we will be pushing the temperature and humidity sensor data to the ThingSpeak platform. So let us click on simulation button. So as you can see, this is the simulation button. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi connection has been established, and the temperature is 24 and humidity is 40. So we will go to our channel, and you can see 24 degrees Celsius temperature and 40 humidity has been printed to the ThingSpeak platform. Also, we can change these values from this. So we have also connected this LED. So you can see data pushed successful. So the temperature is, we have increased the temperature to 37. Also we have increased the humidity to 61. So now these should be the new values that should be pushed on the ThingSpeak. So as you can see, the temperature has increased to 37 on the ThingSpeak platform, and at present it is showing push error, but now you can see data pushed successful. So it means data has been printed successfully on the ThingSpeak platform. So the humidity has increased to 61. Also we can see the condition for LED to glow. So if temperature is greater than 35 or temperature is less than 12, LED will glow. Or if humidity is greater than 70 or if humidity is less than 40, then also this LED will glow. So these are the conditions for the LED to glow. So if any of these conditions is satisfied, this LED will glow. You can also change these values as per your criteria. So as you can see, we can edit the temperature and humidity values here. So obviously this is online possible, and we don't need to purchase any hardware. So it can be used for very quick setup of our hardware without actually purchasing. So we can easily test the hardware by this. So I regularly make videos on IoT, so please like and share the video and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification whenever I post any video related to IoT. Thank you.